Hi, my name is Dan Winterland, President and founder of HuntTheNorth.com. For over 10 years, we've been out diligently researching and networking with the top hunting outfitters across the country. In Minnesota, we exclusively endorse Stefan Pridal of Ringneck Range for his world-class caliber, all-wild bird pheasant hunts. Stefan offers an amazing experience down in southwestern Minnesota, just a couple hours from the Twin Cities. In fact, last year we actually had an opportunity to do a hunt with Stefan, had an awesome hunt, took a limit of wild roosters. We had pheasants getting up right in our face, his professionally trained retrievers bringing the birds back to us, never lost a bird, had a great hunt. Stefan actually caters to your every need, brings beverages and food for the hunt, just make sure that everybody's happy and has an ample opportunity at an all-wild rooster hunt. So please give Stefan a call, check him out on our website at HuntTheNorth.com, and here's a couple photos from our hunt with Stefan last fall.